Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Red Poppy Ranch channel analytics. He has uploaded 491 videos. He now has 328k subscribers with a total view of 64,279,823 views. He's from US, and his channel type is people. He created his channel since January 25, 2016. The grade he got is B, and his social blade ranking is at 109,294th. The subscriber ranking is 79,827th, and then video view rank is 86,693rd. He ranked at 16,763rd in US and 11,169th in people. Next, the daily subs for Poppy is around 34 with a daily view of 41,467. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 41,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $164. Then, monthly income will be $4,920. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $2,706 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $32,472. That is how much Red Poppy Ranch earns from YouTube.